Ever wondered how to maximize your garden space? Today, we unravel the concept of vertical gardening. This innovative approach involves using vertical structures like trellises, arbors, and hanging planters to transform your garden into a thriving, multidimensional oasis. It's not just about saving space, vertical gardening also adds a touch of green elegance to your surroundings. Imagine a lush garden reaching for the sky, creating a beautiful and efficient green wall. Now that we understand what vertical gardening is, let's explore how to make it even more effective with companion planting. In the realm of vertical gardening, not all plants are solo climbers. Some have perfect partners, and that's where companion planting comes in. Think of it as a symbiotic relationship where plants help each other grow. For instance, climbing beans and cucumbers are a dynamic duo. The beans provide nitrogen to the soil, helping the cucumbers flourish. Trailing nasturtiums, on the other hand, can deter pests, protecting the rest of your vertical garden. With the right companions, your vertical garden can thrive. But how do we position these plants for maximum growth? A successful vertical garden relies heavily on efficient space usage and optimal sunlight exposure. The art of vertical gardening isn't just about growing up, it's also about growing smart. It's about orchestrating your garden in a way that every plant gets its fair share of sunlight. Position your plants based on their light needs. Highlight plants go on top, medium light in the middle, and low light at the bottom. Just remember, the sun shines from the top. Proper positioning can make all the difference. Now, to make your vertical garden a success, here are some expert tips. Creating a flourishing vertical garden requires more than just good companions and sunlight. Here are some essential tips. First, ensure you have sturdy support structures like trellises or arbors. These will provide a solid foundation for your plants as they reach for the sky. Second, implement efficient watering methods. Drip irrigation systems or self-watering planters can be a game changer, ensuring each plant gets the hydration it needs without wasting water. With these tips and techniques, you're now ready to create your own lush, space-saving vertical garden. Be sure to take this knowledge and grow upwards, not outwards.